Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dogs. Welcome back to the channel. We got a quick unboxing video featuring the homie Trey right there, as you can see him right there. Got the Ryobi right here, as you can see. Got the 1900 PSI right here, electric power washer. Call them lunch boxes. They look like lunch boxes with wheels on it. But I mean, I guess this will do for now, right? Because the other one is kind of broken. So now, boom, instruction manual, right? You know what I'm saying? And then, of course, you just pull it out. Pull your little lunch box. You gotta do some wiggle, just some shake action. And here it is. Simple as that. That's pretty much all that's in there. So you just put that right there. Got some more. Got a couple of little attachments. Oh wow. There's one attachment right here. And you got some whatever that is right there. So boom, there's the box. Pretty empty right there. So as you can see, just come over here, look this right here for a second. There you go right there. That's how it looks right there. Just chilling, right? So the first thing you want to do when you get these, take this little piece off right here. Because you underneath that. Just like that. That's where your goes in right there. That's where your hose for this right here. So you got your hose right here. Of course, just chilling. You know, compact and ready. And of course, you got some more little stuff right here. Instructions. You do have two more little pieces right here. Two more of these little nozzles right here that you can use. I'm pretty sure one of them like wide angle or whatever. A little more pressure in that one. This one has 100 more than the last one that we had, that red one. 100 more PSI, so you know it should make it the world of difference right there. We're gonna attempt to use it right now, even though it's like freezing cold. Not as bad as it was last night though. Almost got frostbite from last night. I woke up and I couldn't even like do this right here. It's crazy. Had to run my hand in some water. Anyway, boom, take that out just like that. The day they make these with batteries, I'll be so happy because look at all this right here. Look at this right here. Oh man. One thing we forgot though was a longer hose for the wand. Plastic wand wasn't good. So this probably gonna break this time. I'm not gonna be dropping this on the ground like how we used to. Just all that. Ain't doing all that again. Ain't doing that. That's how you break it. So you just like this right here. And then twist it. You're gonna twist it. You're gonna do some twisting. Hold on. Like that. There you go, chilling just like that. There's your set that down nice and easy right there, just like that. Yeah, let's do this. I know it's pretty dark out here, but it's only 7 o'clock, so everybody will be alright with the noise. This is the collection that I showed y'all in that previous video that not a lot of people actually watch. Boom, bags. I'm talking about pounds. We got soft. So we got brand new. I know you see the brand new right there, the golden right there, and then the big plush is thick and all that. You got brand new shit right here. See what I'm talking about right here? This Loic sponge, I don't even know why I got it, but you know, you got some chamois just in case. I got the blue and the green because I was gonna use one for the wheels and one for the whatever, but whatever. I'm just holding them on the outside because you know these are just luscious and brand new. And they're not gonna hurt your finish right here, your paint finish. So boom, these towels right here, we're gonna try some of these out. This one's still damp because I guess I didn't wash it properly. But boom, got more down there chilling. Let me just show y'all how. Look at this right here. That's damn near a whole trunk right there. There's a whole trunk right there chilling. So you got that right there. Boom, right here. We're gonna use one of these. This is the one I got from Walmart. We got about 4 of these right here. And yeah, I got all the tools. Whatever you need, all the tools. All right, we got everything set up. In case y'all didn't want to see these goals right here. Boom, look at that. This is. Can y'all feel that through the camera? Just look at that. That's nice. Dang. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Using the foam cannon from the last one that we had right here. It's filled with warm water and the soap that we're gonna use right there. Right? Sorry about the airplane noise going right over our heads, you know. They picked the perfect time to do that. So you just boom, just like that. And it's in there. So boom, this is the soap that we're using. This is the soap that's in this canister right here, as you can see. Check it out right there.
Alright, go ahead and say it again. Try again.
Alright, so the foam alright, so the soap that's in the foam cannon right now, we got warm water, and then we got this blueberry snow foam auto wash right here, as you can see from Chemical Guys right there. And then there's the honeydew. This is what I normally use right here. As you can see, I got it into a much bigger container, but he's decided to use the blueberry this time. I don't know if it's because the color of the truck is dark blue or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and get started with that right here. Alright, now that we're done covering this truck from the snow foam right here, we're gonna go ahead and use this bucket right here, warm water, and some more soap in it, same exact soap. Scrub it down, then obviously rinse it off again, and then dry it off. Pretty much good to go. Alright, went down to rinsing it off because I scrubbed the crap out of the truck while he was doing the wheel. So here we go. We got an orange tip on here this time, that orange tip. So let's get on some spraying tip. Alright, y'all, we're pretty much done with the video. As you can see, the truck point over there, the truck is not clean. You can see it's clean as it's ever been. The windows are magnificent now, just crystal clear, and the whole truck is finished and good to go, at least as good as it's gonna get for now. Anyway, now we're gonna finish the video off with this honeydew right here. This is air freshener, as you can see. Go ahead and get some of that nice, there you go, some air freshener right there. So if y'all could go and smell it, y'all can smell it through the camera a little bit. What's the truck real quick? I'm gonna show y'all how to spray it, just like how you spray any spray right here. So you just kind of, the keyless entry right here, and then boom, right here, as you can see. All you want to do is just kind of just toss that up in the air, you know what I'm saying? Just like that right there. It's nice, looks like the bottle lasts for a long time. I might want to use it as cologne sometime. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it.